1967 Dodge Coronet 440 Wagon here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 318 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic 727 transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille. Paint coat of S on this car, so original cream colored car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the undersides, interior, engine bay. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the steel slotted wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car has had one repaint. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down this passenger side. FYI, the windows are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have on there. This is a dual bucket setup. Those would be seats from, say, a 66 or 67 Charger. Center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer, but obviously the seats will fold down in the rear. This was an original 6-passenger seating vehicle. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com for all the still pictures. Power rear glass, that is working. Rolled it down so we could take a little better look at the interior of this car and how it's set up. It's kind of cool. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Minor powertrain seats, kind of normal for a car that's been driven. Brakes are 100% in the front, 80% in the rear. Could use rear wheel cylinders. Take a look down this driver's side. Again, panels look straight, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. If you like these Mopars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. Wanted to fold that seat up because there's a couple spots where there's the tears in the seams of that seat. I wanted to note that. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels, a little bit of wear on the seating surface here. Seat belts intact, front and rear. There's an aftermarket stereo with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 318 Edelbrock 4-barrel. Switch for the power glass is right here. As you can see, Pioneer stereo. Aftermarket gauge cluster. .318 sounds healthy. Headliner looking good. Guess there's a bow back here. Let's take a little closer look. It's right there. All right, let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that 318. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Check out this engine bay. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Here it is. Little chrome dress up on there. AC has been converted. Tech noted it was in optional, but it appears everything's there. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Looks like a newer alternator. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. 1967 Dodge Coronet 440 wagon. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Dodge Coronet station wagon. We've got the Mopar Scoop. Sounds mean, and yet you can haul the whole family and all your luggage on a nice long road trip. I love how the turn signal indicator says left. It's so cool. This isn't automatic, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Shift it right down here on the center console. Pioneer stereo in the dash. Now this is equipped with AC, and it is blowing cool air. I wouldn't say cold, but it's keeping it nice and comfortable in here. The factory temperature gauge does not move. Down below the dash we have some aftermarket gauges. The oil pressure is showing 75 to 80 psi. The amps are charging above halfway the gauge, and our temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up. That's on the edge of the normal range. Still warming up. Fuel gauge from the factory showing a quarter of a tank. The wipers work on this car. Comfortable bucket seats. Now you've got bucket seats up front and in the middle of this car, with storage and stowage in the back of that, since it is a wagon. Brakes nice and smooth. Power brakes, power steering, feeling good. To the left we have a voltage digital gauge reading 15.1. That's really good voltage. Corners nicely. With that power steering, it's super easy to steer. Not many wagons left out there. This one in very good shape and kind of dressed up like a muscle wagon. You gotta love it. More car to love, that's what we say about the station wagons. Take a look at all the pictures of this Coronet from 1967 at uniqueclassiccars.com.